Good morning, students. Today we will study or we will discuss the properties of oxygen in chapter air. So, first we will discuss about the physical properties of oxygen. After that we will do chemical properties also. Physical properties of oxygen. So first physical properties of oxygen is a colorless gas. There is no color in oxygen. Colorless gas. And one more property of oxygen is it is not having any smell. It means oxygen is an odorless gas. And third physical properties of oxygen is it is slightly soluble in water. Means not completely dissolved, it's slightly soluble only. Slightly soluble in water. Okay, so all these 3 points are the physical properties of oxygen. Again I am summarizing. It's a colorless gas, odorless gas, no smell, no color, and slightly soluble in water. Now we will move to chemical properties. Chemical properties of oxygen. The main chemical properties of oxygen is it's a combustible. It is a supporter of combustion. Combustion means burning. If we will stop supply of oxygen, then nothing can be burned. So the main chemical property of oxygen, it is a supporter of combustion. Okay, so for proving this you can do one activity. If you remember in the earlier classes also we were having one activity, burning candle, right? So if you want to try it you can do it at home also. I am explaining here also. We are having one burning candle. Okay, this is a burning candle. So it's burning very brightly. So after some time what you can do, you can just keep a glass jar over it. Glass jar or any kind of jar you can put to stop the supply of air. To stop the supply of air, you can put to supply the oxygen. So after some time what you will see, after few seconds only, what you will observe, the burning candle will no more burn. It is stopped because oxygen needed for burning. Oxygen is a supporter of burning, right? Now, if you want to do, you can do it at home with the help of your parents only. Okay, now the next point is what is the difference between a burning and respiration? Both are the oxidation reaction. So, what are the difference? So that we will do now. I am just taking this. Burning and respiration. What are the differences? Respiration you have maybe learned in biology. It's in biology. Burning is an oxidation reaction. Oxidation means if any process needs oxygen to complete it, the process is called the oxidation process. Means oxygen needed. Then respiration is also oxidation process. Burning is a fast process. It completes within few minutes and few hours. of our body, we need some enzymes to complete the process of respiration. Need catalyst. Okay. Now, it generally takes high temperature. Burning generally takes high temperature. And respiration at ordinary temperature. At ordinary temperature. So these are the basic points, what we can say the difference between burning and respiration. Both are the oxidation process, both need oxygen to complete, and the second is burning is a fast process and respiration in comparison to burning it's a slow process, it takes more time to complete, right? Now next, no catalyst needed in burning. From outside we don't need anything to add to complete the process, but in respiration we need some catalyst like enzymes, to complete the process or to complete it little bit fast. Okay, for burning we need high temperature, and for respiration at ordinary temperature, room temperature you can say it can be done. So students, this is all about today's class. In next class we will do the topic combustion of non-metals and combustion of metals in detail. We will study in the next video. For today it's enough for today, and just note down the homework for today's class. Just go through the topic, read the topic thoroughly. This is the first point of the homework. And the second, write down the difference between burning and respiration, or you can say comparison, not the difference, is not the correct word, I think. Comparison. Okay? Compare, we are comparing. Comparison between burning and respiration. You have to write all these points. This is your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.